Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Ed from Minions and Monsters. So let's get started. To draw this super cute minion, let's first start by drawing the eyes. So I'm going to come right here, actually drawing the goggles. So we're going to go ahead and draw this really big circle. So about there, then we're going to come right next to it, about right here, and draw another one. So nice and big. And if you're not comfortable drawing these big circles, you can definitely find something at home that you can trace, but I wouldn't worry about it. I think it looks much better if you draw it on your freehand, right? Okay, so then now that we have that, let's go ahead and we're going to create the goggles. So I'm going to come into the center about right here and say right here, give myself 2 points. And from there, I'm going to basically just go around what I drew to thicken it all up. Oops. There, and then same thing on this side. Okay, there. So now that I have that, let's go ahead and come in towards this edge more. About right here, I'm going to draw a circle. And then we're going to come about right here and put in a highlight, and then come in again and draw another circle. And then this is the one I'll shade in. And the outside is where you put in the color for the eyes. So let's do the same thing towards this edge more. There. Okay, so now that I have that, let's come back to the sides right here. And let's say about right here, I'm going to come out and come down, round it off. I'm going to start to draw the straps. And I put in a center line right about there. And then we're going to come out just a little bit. Let's say about this much on both sides. So we're going to do that on the other side. So then about right here, I'm going to come out a little bit more on this one and just connect. So let's do the same thing on the other side, just approximate. I'm going to just quickly drag in some points. And I'm just going to try to do what I did on the other side. Center, and then once again, right here and here. So this bottom one is going to go out a little bit more and then connect. There. So now that I have that, I'm going to come in just a tiny bit and we're going to draw this big curve going over the goggles, but not too high. So about right there. And then we're going to bring it all the way back to here. And in. There. Okay. Then let's bring this down. Imagine this is coming through. And we're going to come down. Same thing here. Come down and maybe just out a little bit, not too much. Just give it a slight angle coming out. And let's make it about the same height on both sides. So about right there. I'm going to stop, and from there we're going to draw a curve coming in. So this is kind of like where the strap is, and I'll stop about right there. And same thing here. about right there. And then we're going to connect. I just found it's easier to draw it this way. Make this a little bit more curved. Okay, so now that I have this shape, we're going to go ahead and come out, just pop this part out, and we're going to bring this down, and let's go ahead and draw the strap. And about right here, just cut it off. So same thing here, pop this out, extend this down just like the other side, give it a little angle, and connect. And then of course we need a button right here and here. Okay, so now that we have our straps in, let's go ahead and bring the body down. So right here, we're going to start to curve in. So that's a pretty big minion, kind of stocky, right? So let's say about there, we're going to bring it in. And I'm just going to go ahead and connect at the bottom of the curve. There. Okay, so now that we have that, let's go ahead. We're going to find our center, come all the way down, say about right there approximately, and we're going to draw 2 little curves right about there. So then let's thicken it up for the legs, and I'll just connect it. Same thing here, just connect it right about there, and then we're going to pop out these cute little shoes and in. So same thing here, curve and in. There. Okay, so now that we have that, let's go ahead and come back right about here. We're going to come straight down and then curve out. And then in this area, we're going to put in a curve. And same thing here. So approximately here. Then curve out. And same thing, approximately. Just curve it out. There. And of course we need our pocket. So right in the top right here, I'm just going to draw this big wide curve right in the center. Approximately. And then let's widen up to create our pocket. There. And of course I have to put a heart right here because this is my Draw So Cute Ed from Minions and Monsters, and I totally forgot to give him a smile. So let's come about right here, and we're just going to draw this big curve and then go slightly upwards and cap it off. Sorry about that. And before I forget, let's come up to the top and we're going to draw his mohawk. So let's say about right here. Let's see. Just going to draw a bunch of strands to create his mohawk. They are right in the center. Make some of them a little bit thicker. But you want it sticking up right in the center. Okay, now that we have that, let's go ahead and draw his arms. So we're going to come down right here where the strap is. We're going to come down and let's say about right there. We're going to cut it off and then come back about right here. And we're going to draw the thumb. And then cute little finger. Then come in, finish the glove part, and then just add another curve. And then same thing on the other side. So a little hand, it's going to come down. Same thing about right here. And then we're going to bring this in. So once again, a thumb, finger, and one more. I think I made that one a little bit short, right? So let's go ahead and I'll make it longer. So there, sorry about that. But that is pretty much it. Let me just kind of smooth out this curve. So I'm going to need to make this one a little bit rounder. And that is it for my drawing here of Ed the Minion from Minions and Monsters. I really hope you love how he turned out and that I helped you draw him fun and easy. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.